Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I'm going to be Konmari my closet. So basically I'm going to be doing the Marie Kondo method of decluttering, minimalization, that sort of stuff on my closet. This is going to be a part of a series that's coming up because I have noticed the last while that we have a lot of stuff and we don't need a lot of stuff. So I'm going to do my closet today, and that includes all my clothes, the accessories, the shoes, coats, like all of that sort of stuff I wear or can wear on a daily basis. And then Robert is going to do his own closet because if he puts the time and effort into fixing up his closet, folding it the correct way that Marie Kondo does, it's more likely that he will keep that method up whenever he is the one that's folding the clothes and putting them away. And then third, we're going to be doing Ava's clothes, and that's just the first step in this whole method. So yes, today is my turn to do my closet. And basically I have this whole area cleared out here. I'm going to go in and I'm doing it the proper way, the proper Marie Kondo way. I'm going to make a pile of my clothes, take all my coats, my shoes, my scarves, my bags, my everything that you can wear, and put it in a big huge pile and hold each individual item and see if it sparks joy with you, because that is what the method is. Whether it sparks joy, and if it does, you keep it, and if it doesn't, you throw it away. And the throwaway is going to be either like a donate pile or trash. Some things I've had for years and years and years and it's so worn that it's going to be trash, and then some things can be donated too. So let's get on with it, and I will start doing my pile. So this is our closet here. You can see I've just kind of put my coats here and the two bags that I use on the daily basis here. So here is our folded stuff. So we have like blankets, a couple of things. I actually have maternity clothes back here. This is a mixture of mine and Robert's. This one is Robert's. This is mine. Here again is a mixture of mine and Robert's, and the bottom one is all bed linen, which won't be touched today because that's another section of the method. Then we have our hanging space here, and this is pretty much divided. The top one is my stuff and the bottom one is Robert's stuff. We also have shoes under here which needs to be sorted out, and I have shoes in one more place as well. I'm thinking that a lot of shoes are going to be getting thrown out. Also, I'm going to be doing my underwear and my socks because that is a part of the clothing section. I have some like scarves here too, some scarves. So everything, your accessories, your clothes, your shoes, your underwear, that sort of stuff, that is what is included. So let's get to it and let's just make that pile. So it's taken me 9.5 minutes to do this. I honestly did not know I had this much clothes or shoes. Like, look at all those shoes. Now obviously they're very messy. I'm gonna have to clean them up so I can see perfectly what they are. Here's like the maternity clothes that I had, and here's just a mountain of clothes. These are just my clothes. Like, what the heck am I doing?
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? A scene that keeps playing on repeat, ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? All your emotions with your heart on your sleeve, it won't fade until you paint it black. I let it burn, you call the fire brigade, but I feel the but it will come back. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come Just look at the state we're in. I breathe you in and I can tell where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where?
Okay, so it's taken me 10 minutes just to do the hanging things. This pile here that you can see behind me, that's everything we're going to donate. And then the stuff here that you can't really see, they're the things that I am going to keep. So holding everything really does help. It really does help me because I'm like, does it bring me joy? And my interpretation of that is, do I like it? Have I worn it in the last little while? Do I like it? Will I wear it again? And there's some stuff that are sentimental to me, like this, kind of like my rugby jerseys. This was actually Robert's, I think. My rugby jerseys, because of what they represent and where we went and that sort of stuff. So if there's stuff that's sentimental like that, she kind of recommends that to put it to the side and come back to it, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. I'm not going to be making decisions on kind of like my rugby and my GAA jerseys. So I'll just pop them over to the side and we get on with everything else now.
Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so
Done. So it's done. It actually didn't take me as long as I thought it was going to be, given the pile that I had. So now I just need to try on a couple of things that I have here, because I like them but I don't necessarily know if they're going to fit. And then once I have those done, I'll pack up everything that's going to be like trash or donate, and then come back.
I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive.
So this is the bottom, as you can see, of the wardrobe here, and these are Robert's shoes. So I'm just going to move them, and I'm going to like dust and clean down there, and then I'm going to put in those shoe racks that we bought, because yeah, I still have lots of shoes. So that's what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to move on over. You can see here I'm going to move on over and put clean out my shelves, just so they're nice and clean, so we can put in clothes folded.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted.
So you saw there I put away my shoes. I do have like winter boots, like snow boots and welly boots there. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with them. But next thing I need to do is sort my clothes. What's going to be hanging and what's going to be folded. And the stuff that is folded, as I said, is going to go over here into these boxes. So I need to learn how to do the Marie Kondo method. And then we're going to fold in here. And then there's also a bigger one for like the hooded jumpers and that sort of stuff. So for me, I'm gonna have my t-shirts, my tank tops, those sorts of stuff folded, pajamas, then also my like my hoodies and stuff, and then pretty much everything else is gonna be hanging. My coats, I have two coats hanging at the door, and then the other ones are, because they're heavier, and I also have a maternity coat there, they're gonna be hanging in my wardrobe. So that's the next step that we have to do. But first, I need to charge this battery. So these 3 bags here are going for donation, and they're going to go pretty much right away because Robert is going to do that. So instead of keeping them there, I don't want to end up in a pile there like I do usually. So 3 bags are for donation, and then hello. And then we have the 1 bag here that's like clothes that aren't suitable for donation. So I'm going to put them into one of those kind of like recycling banks that we have. So that's where that's going to go. So I have folded my t-shirts here using the Konmari method, and basically I've just looked up Pinterest, and I'll include the Pinterest that I use for these. So now I just have my hoodies here. So my hoodies are in 2 bunches. ones that I wear pretty much all the time, and my Disney hoodies that basically I only wear a couple of times a year. And then the only other thing that I have is my pajamas. And then pretty much everything else has been done. I put away all my clothes. It's just these pairs of like outdoor shoes that I haven't done anything with yet. But my hoodies are gonna go inside this. I got this in Home Store and More. It's the 19-litre basket. I'm taking the broken one. So I'm going to just look up Pinterest and see the method that they are showing there, because so far I found it really, really good. So I have folded everything. So the back two are the jumpers, and then this one is my t-shirts, and then these are pajamas. So they now go into the wardrobe. The only thing, as you can see here, are these like snow boots and that sort of stuff. So I'm going to put them in where our washing machine is for now. So I have everything in now as it's going to be. So here are my two, so you can see the jumpers are down here, and then here we have my t-shirts and pajamas. These ones are Robert, they're not done yet. And at the top I have blankets back here. Here are maternity clothes, and then these are the jerseys that I was talking about earlier, the sentimental items. And at the very bottom we still have the change of bed linen. So then in here is like so. So this is now my all my clothes. So I have like a dressing gown, then the scarves, I have some dresses here, then it moves on to kind of like cardigans, that sort of stuff, and then tops that I wear, shorts, and then jeans and leggings and those sorts of things. So that is now my little bit. And then I also have two coats down here that I am keeping. They're kind of winter coats. One is a maternity coat and one is a winter coat. And then here we have the shoes, and I shared with you that we got them for these from IKEA. So yes, that is how it is. Robert's clothes are here. He needs to do his next. So that is everything. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, I would love if you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and keep on the lookout for Robert doing his declutter, Marie Kondo clutter, because that's coming up very soon. So thanks very much for watching. Bye.